If you were wondering where that guy is, Michael Mosen, obviously outdoors has started and he was not there. Well, today, Star Racing Yamaha, Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha, has announced that Michael Mosman, and this is from Verb, so correct me if I'm, or correct them if they're wrong, says, quote, announced today that Mosman sustained fractures in his neck in a crash while preparing for the season opener at Fox Raceway and will miss the entire pro motocross season. The team said anticipate a return to riding in 12 weeks. Now, obviously, this isn't great. He signed with them, I think, already injured or sort of injured, whatever you want to call it, and then boop, it's just it's sad. He Michael himself said, quote, it's super disappointing to get injured so close to the start of the outdoor season, especially feeling as good as I was. The team had put in the team had put in so many hours to get me the best bike possible, and I hadn't felt that comfortable and confident in a long time. It's heart-wrenching for both of us to put in so much work and not be able to show what I can do at the races. That being said, God has never wasted any of my injuries in the past, and I'm confident He won't let this setback go to waste. It's time like these, it's always makes me feel about how crazy the story is going to be and how much sweeter it will be make the victories ahead. Thank you, Bobby Reagan, blah, 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 blah. I mean, he signed with them, I think, what was it, before middle of the season last year, and then was instantly injured again after Seattle. I think he did one race. And as far as I know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, this is a 2-year contract for him. And if the whole first year is spent injured, it doesn't look very good. And you got to say that's kind of his, I don't want to say MO, but like the track of his career has just been injury, 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 injury. And this was supposed to be, I think this was a fill and ride, if I'm not a fill and ride, but like a secondary chance because obviously he was with Gas for a while and then that got dropped and this got the perfect ride flopped into his lap. But if he's going to be injured all the time, I don't see this lasting very long because obviously one of the best teams, one of the best bikes, you can't have somebody just holding the seat. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. One, do you think he's ever actually going to be competitive with Yamaha? Do you think he's going to be injury free for a season even? Or I don't know. Comment whatever you want down below. Tell me if you're going to any outdoor races, if you've been to any outdoors, whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you later. Peace.